First of all, I would like to tell you, as an Nigerian, as a politician, as a leader of this party, I'm just reading the story of court injunction given to Secondus not to parade him then at the national chairman. I'm just hearing it now, seeing it now. I have not been informed. I have not got any court injunction copy. Whether the party, the chairman has got it, he has not fully presented it to the BOT. He has not. And the other place where it should be presented is NEC. We are yet to hold NEC meeting.
But how would the NEC hold when it appears for now that the PDP has no chairman?
What is our concern with? What is every one of us? The BOT have guidelines stated in the party constitution. NEC is the higher organ leading to decision making, and the last one is the National Convention. So how can you say?
And all these organs of the party, including the laws of the PDP and as well as other parties, are subjects to the Nigerian Constitution, aren't they?
That is true. The overall Constitution is the Nigerian Constitution.
Then, so when a court coordinates, when a court gives a judgment like what, or an order like what we got yesterday from Rivers State, what that means is that PDP as a party should respect the orders of the courts.
I'm telling you, madam, that is this morning, Tuesday, 24 of August, at 9 a.m., I was reading the report on the papers. As the chairman of BOT of the party, the consent of this party, I should not run. Nobody has given me a copy. I must believe the press report. There might be a copy given either to the national chairman or to the party, which must have been sent officially to BOT. Up to now, I'm still waiting for that court injunction. However, anytime I got that court injunction or the judgment by the High Court in Rivers State, I will summon the meeting of the BOT to look at it. And then that will be the right time when you come to me. I will pleasantly happy to tell you what it is, what we think about it, what is our concern about it. But for now, I've not seen something. So how can I give you any opinion of something that I've not seen? I'm sure by today I will get the data. I tell you, I'm going to add to that when I see it directly. If I've seen the judgment, I'll be able to comment and advise on what the NWC should do, but I've not got it, and I don't know they have a meeting. So whether the meeting will hold, if there is, if they're bringing Secondus to chair the meeting, or somebody acting I don't know until I see the report.
Thank you very
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.